Hi, my name is Alia Siddiq. I am a teacher partner of English Startup Academy. I have created a business English course for EFL students, which comprises of 4 weeks. Let me tell you about the contents of this course. The aim of this course is to develop and improve students' business English skills. Students can enhance and increase their knowledge through different tips and strategies that are mentioned in the course. By the end of this course, the students will be able to describe their ideas in the context of business English, improve their communication skills both orally and in written mode, develop language skills for business management and marketing. They can improve like reading comprehension, writing, and grammar skills. Now, let's look at the syllabus. This week we will cover Module 1, the importance of business correspondence, where we discuss the importance of business correspondence, types of business correspondence, and the importance of good business writing skills. In week 2, we will cover Module 2, types of business correspondence, where we teach how to write a cover letter, resume letter, job application, letter of intent, as well as a resignation letter. In week 3, we will cover Module 3, other types of correspondence, where we will introduce the other types of correspondence, including letter of introduction and types of professional business letters. Week 4, we will cover Module 4, email correspondence, where we will introduce the email correspondence and different samples of emails. Then there will be a quiz at the end of every module to assess the students' progress. This will be followed by questions and answers sessions. Thank you so much.